In times of crisis, most of us feel powerless, but a few discover in themselves an unforeseen strength that can change the world. A celebrated actress during Hollywood's golden age, Hedy Lamarr was also a brilliant scientist and inventor who broke through the stereotypes of her time, paving the way for generations of women in science. Hedy may not have realized it, but she was an activist and trailblazer, and her life is a testament to the power of determination.